I'll talk about it.
Were you using libraries for that demo?
No, we wrote our own.
You wrote it on. You wrote your own.
Yeah, I mean that's we can. There are open source libraries, so we don't have to. Okay, it's bad.
Well, you can say click. Is this current
page up? Maybe. Good luck.
No, it's not working. So this is what I had. Sorry, guys. Slideshow, start from current slide. Okay.
Go select the actual slide. I don't think it's selected.
Yeah, LibreOffice.
Yeah, no, that's the.
Were you talking about Siri earlier, about the Apple voice?
Yeah.
So that was actually developed in Helena by the Stanford Research Institute, and they actually had a Montana programmers up there, met those guys. It was pretty cool. The guys that originally invented Siri, invented it for the military.
Yeah, for the DVD, remember?
Yeah.
Hearing about that one.
So they could translate, so they could go up to like an Afghan person and say what they want, and then it would speak to the Afghani in Afghan, and they would speak back, and then they would translate back. So they could have like pocket translators. It's pretty cool.
So we showed the demo. So that's images, right? So now let's talk about words, right? So standard word representation, we talk about bags of words, right? So that's how bags of words is presented, right? And Anthony talked about how it gets like converted into numbers. So in this case, you create a dictionary, right? And like this hotel, conference, and walk, and we get like a lot of ones and a lot of zeros because for that word, that's the only thing that's on. Right? So we call this as like a. So now motel and hotel, they're the same. But the representation of motel has one here because that's where the dictionary entry is. And hotel is here. Right? Now your vectors are actually not representing your input at all, right? If you take, they're very similar to each other, right? But from the vector representation, they're not. They're so different. So that's the problem that we have so there are different ways to do it. But this, and depending upon the dimensionality, like for a typical for Oracle systems, we have about probably 50, 60K the dictionary size. But at a Google level, it's a lot. Like still, it's 30 million. Right? So one of the things that it's not used in a bag of words